Hello viewers, welcome to IP Service, Learn IT Tips and Troubleshooting. Today I'm showing how to block website in Windows PC. First of all, going Google Chrome, then I type like many website like youtube.com, accessible. And then I secondly click facebook.com. Then I click apple.com. The website is accessible. Then click google.com. This website is accessible. Now we can block, then click Notepad, run as administrator. And click file to open. Going C drive, then Windows, then system 32. Then drives, then etc, then Notepad show all file. Now we can look host, click host and open. Now we can see your localhost website. This policy is unblock. 172.0.0.1 is your loopback IP address. Here I type, here we are close, execute loopback address, removing hashtag. Now we can insert 127.0.0.1. Which website we block? Just type here www.facebook.com. Now we can type second website, loopback address, and click your website name www.google.com. Now we can copy whole policy. Then we type, just type youtube.com. Now we can edit apple.com. fb.com. Now we save this page, then open browser. First of all, clean your cache data. Your browser cache data first of clean, then close the browser. Now we can test. Google.com first website we click. This site cannot be reached. Now your policy is working. Facebook.com. This site cannot be reached. YouTube.com. Yahoo, your policy is 100% work. Lastly, check ab.com. Then apple.com. No any site are displayed. So now we can go Notepad for open this site. Same way, same file we are edit. First file, our creating policy, all policy are just delete and save. Now we can check our website is open or not. Yeah, my web page now accessible. Thank you for watching IP service. Keep watching for full video. For more tips, subscribe us.